This is pony number 2. Hair, neck, leg, 1 leg, 2 body, leg 3, leg 4, tail, your eyes, your nose, and smile. Eyes, eyes will be green, will be orange color. Neck, here more orange. Your leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, your hair will be yellow and tail will be yellow color. Hair, brown color. Here will be brown. Will be red color and nose and head, neck, leg, body, leg 3, leg 4. Okay. Tail. This is finished.